At the University of Niagara Falls, Canada, Career Services is here to help you land that dream job or internship and prepare you for your next steps after graduation. Think of us as your one-stop shop for everything career-related. Need a resume or cover letter that shines? We offer one-to-one career advising to help you polish those up, refine your interview skills, and build up your online presence on LinkedIn. With a range of career assessment tools available to us, we can help you discover your strengths, interests, and what kind of work environment makes you tick. Looking to gain some valuable skills and network with your peers? Then check out our awesome Career Readiness Workshop Series. You'll learn all the latest on job searching in a digital age, master soft skills like communication and conflict resolution, and even earn yourself an e-badge for your LinkedIn profile. Join one of our peer career circles and practice your professional skills in a supportive environment. You'll be collaborating with other students on goal setting, tackling mock interviews, and sharing insights from different programs. If you're looking for a part-time job while studying on campus, the exclusive UNF Student Job Board connects you with on-campus opportunities available for students, as well as off-campus work opportunities posted by our community partners. Throughout the term, Career Services will be hosting events for you to network with faculty, industry experts, and other members of the community. All details will be shared on Cascade and in the Student Experience newsletter. If you're ready to unlock your career potential, reach out to us through email at careerservices@unfc.ca. We're here to help.